I'm Dr. Todd Lasseigne here at Tulsa Botanic Garden. I'm President and CEO, and we're here amidst our beautiful spring flowering tulips in the display we call Tulsa Botanic Blooms. We have over 70,000 flowers blooming right now, and this is something we plant every year. We have a beautiful palette of pastel colors. They're going to flower, and the late ones are still in bud and just coming up right now. It's just a glorious display. Something we like to show to the community and have you enjoy and get some spiritual rejuvenation from. Enjoying our tulips at Tulsa Botanic Garden.